Each person has 4 kinds of soul mates. Here's how to recognize each one. A true soul mate is probably the most important person you'll ever meet, because they tear down your walls and smack you awake. But to live with a soul mate forever? Nah. Too painful. Soul mates, they come into your life just to reveal another layer of yourself to you, and then leave. Elizabeth Gilbert. You find a soul mate, or a spiritual partner, when you least expect it. Soul mates are the people who mirror you, make you aware of your repetitive patterns, and propel you forward on your journey. Being more aware of the different types of soul mate relationships you'll encounter in life can help us take advantage of those opportunities and develop deeper connections. Below are 4 types of soul mates I've identified. 1. Healing soul mates. These are friends who arrive with intention and provide you with life lessons that clear blocks from your past by mirroring you. Healing soul mates show up by divine timing, exactly when we most need to learn what they have to teach. These friends help us learn how to move forward. A healing friendship exists only as long as your purposes are aligned. How do you recognize one? When the relationship or friendship escalates fast. This type of friend usually shows up when you are dealing with repetitive patterns and attempting to work through old issues. How do you nurture this relationship? Know up front that this friendship might not last. Like all relationships, it only works if the two of you can respect each other's need for space and come together with understanding at other times. The intense bond can be redolent of a sibling or romantic relationship. The friendship may have lots of ups and downs, but if you can take the good with the bad, this type of relationship will be very fruitful. 2. Past life soul mates. Because these people might have been a lover or soul mate in a past life, the relationships feel easy and comfortable. The connection is instant. You might feel like you will be friends forever, no matter how much time passes or how far apart you are geographically, and you're probably right. This friendship will likely last for a lifetime because you will never want to run or hide from these friends. These relationships can be carefree, but they also shape us. They teach us to trust and believe in ourselves. In this dynamic, both people feel comfortable telling each other anything. Nothing is off limits. You are accepted for who you are. These are the friends who help you grow into the person you're meant to be. And have the special ability to propel you toward your destiny without pain or suffering. Often, we try to turn these relationships romantic, but it is usually impossible. There's a lack of physical attraction or a desire to sustain and protect your friendship. How do you recognize one? You meet this type of person when you're truly being yourself. Past life soul mates appear when you're in your element and you don't hold anything back. They always have your best interests at heart and will stop at nothing when asked to help you accomplish your dreams. This type of friendship will last a lifetime. How do you nurture this relationship? Stay connected. Check in by email or phone, just to say you're thinking of them. These people come in and out of your life when you need to be directed, and they always bring love and fun. They help bring you back to your inner desires and reconnect you with your abilities. They are crucial in shaping you into the best person you can be. 3. Karmic soul mates. These people, too, are connected to you through a past life. These connections are deep and karmic, and often painful, as they involve ego struggles. Ego pain must be endured, because it is the point. Working through the relationship. And learning to overcome suffering is often the only resolution. How do you recognize one? Karmic soul mates have a twin-like connection. In times of intense emotion, you actually feel what they feel. Often, these mates have been reincarnated and are reliving some karma to break a negative cycle. How do you nurture this relationship? Be aware of the energy you emit, and do your best to remove your ego. If you focus on the positive aspects of the relationship, you will draw positivity from this person. Remove your ego by focusing on what is best for the both of you. Do your best to give unconditional love and understanding to your partner. Unconditional kindness will make your soul mate feel at ease. 4. Twin flames. Twin flames work together to overcome emotional and spiritual barriers. They can talk for hours without running out of things to say. They think alike, finish each other's sentences, and naturally do things as a pair. This relationship transcends the ego. When you meet a twin flame, you get a sense of wholeness from the relationship. Not everyone meets their twin flame as a lover, but those who do will enjoy this relationship for the rest of their lives. How do you recognize one? You'll feel like you have known the other person for many lifetimes, and you will rarely want to be apart. Before long, twin flames start to make collective decisions on everything. How do you nurture this relationship? The most important aspect of a twin flame relationship is honesty, but relating to your twin flame feels natural and easy. You can probably easily communicate even without words. When both are completely themselves, twin flames can overcome anything. Every one of these relationships has the potential to end in heartbreak, but each one is also an opportunity to resolve and change your relationship karma. Every relationship that you learn from and end by moving forward with love can be marked as a success. It doesn't have to last forever to serve its purpose. Operator, if you like our article, give Conscious Reminder a thumbs up and help us spread love light. Operator.